Hi, my name is Anna Sackman, and I am a model and work full-time in sports management, and I am here with DESIRELIST to show you a couple of my favorite post-gym routines to keep me going the rest of the day. I always start out with my Woman's Best Shaker. It's a really fun brand. I always have to have protein after the gym, and it's Tone It Up. It is vegan and gluten-free, non-GMO, and so that's why I love that one. And then we also have collagen that I like to mix with the protein. One big scoop, this is what it looks like. It's vanilla flavored. And then the collagen as well, mixed all together. And there. And then you just shake it all up. And it's perfect for after the gym. After I get the protein shake in me with all the nutrients, I still have the rest of the day to go. And with work and all the errands, I love to have this ginseng energy drink. It's Uptime, and it's super delicious. I'm not a coffee drinker, and so that's why I always run to energy drinks. This one's a more natural one that uses ginseng in it. If you're interested in any of these items and you want to know more about them, click the link below.